Hello, I'm Axel Marchal, Associate Professor at University of Bordeaux in the Institute of Wine and Wine Sciences. For each vintage, the characteristics of the wines are closely related to the climatic context. Traditionally, in the vintage report written by ISVV, we retrace the story of the year through 5 quality conditions that I will detail. This work is based on data collected by a team led by my colleague Professor Laurent Génie in the various vineyards from Bordeaux. In 2019, flowering took place in early June under cool and wet weather. So the first condition, that is a quick and even flowering, was only partially satisfied. Isolated incidences of coulure and more frequently mirandage have been observed, and this could explain significant variations in yields. Coming to mid-June, weather became dry and hot, but the water accumulated in the soils during spring allows fruit set to achieve in good conditions without excessive hydric stress. The second condition was fully satisfied. July was overall dry, but with localized rainstorms. These variations and the diversity of the soils explained why the vegetative growth ended at different times. In some cases, it occurred a bit later than hoped. While veraison was sometimes spaced out, the August was very sunny, with alternating period of cool and hot weather. This was very beneficial for the beginning of the ripening stage. The first half of September was particularly dry, so fears of water stress appear. But fortunately, some rainfall, slight rainfalls, allowed the Merlot to ripen completely. They were also very important for Cabernet to reach a perfect phenolic and aromatic ripeness. So fourth and fifth condition relative to ripening and harvest processes were fully satisfied. For each plot, the grapes have been picked at optimum ripeness. At this time, the recent tastings of Bordeaux red wines confirm that 2019 is a very successful vintage. The Merlot are very good, the Cabernet too, and they reach outstanding quality, in particular on deep gravelous soils. Even if the levels of sugars were quite high in the grapes, the wines are not affected by the resulting alcohol levels. They remain balanced, and they have more acidity than in 2018, for instance, which gives them a very classic style. For dry white wines, the grapes have been picked quite early, which prevents them from any excessive water stress. The wines are absolutely splendid, with intense aroma of ripe Sauvignon and the full-bodied texture of the best Semillon. For noble rot sweet wines, the onset of Botrytis cinerea has been delayed due to superb weather in August and September, but the rainfalls in late September allows Botrytis to develop in perfectly ripe grapes. Their concentration increased rapidly, and the heart of the harvest was only during a few days, just before the very short time, just before mid-October. The selection has been drastic and the quantity are low, but the wine are perfectly pure, aromatic, fruity, without heaviness on the palate, and with a flavorsome aftertaste. I hope you will enjoy the wines. Thank you for your attention, and don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.